it's been a while since I've been able to do a nail video. As you can see, I have broken so many nails. Oh man, I had this blue hollow with what was it? Simple Colors. Oh, whoa. That was not planned. I actually have the nail polish here. This was the Simple Colors. So we had this one, and then I had a hollow top coat on top. But as you can see, most of my is peeled off, so it's time for a new manicure. This actually lasted 3 weeks. It was gel, and I also had rhinestones on them. You can't really see it, but if I turn it like that, then you can see it. So yeah, it's time for a thingy. So I bought some new nail powders. So hopefully, I'm gonna take you through all the ones I've got, and then I'm gonna come back with all this polish gone as well. And yeah, um, so yeah, I'll keep this intro nice and short. I'm going to be just doing a simple chrome nail tutorial. So excited. So yeah, and then I'm going to be enjoying some great um, Disney Plus, y'all, while I'm doing my nails. So all right, let's get to it. I'll be right back, y'all. Let me take all this gunk off, file it, clean it, and do all that fun stuff. All right. Okay. All right, so I'm back. I'm sorry for the scenery change, but I had to go to a different spot, but that's okay. Um, the super duper uber close view now. I'm not gonna put it further, but meh, I like the close up. It'll be helpful for the time lapse. But anyways, so I'm back. I have the base coat on. So I finally bought, like I told you. I see if I can grab it. Oh no, it's stuck to my hands. Ouch. Okay. Um, Finally bought a new gel top coat and base coat. It's this one here, G&E Beauty base coat and top coat. It's no wipe. Sorry about the flash. No wipe top coat. Okay, so I just finished putting on the base coat. I needed one that wasn't going to be sticky. The top coat wasn't going to be sticky. So I put that on, and I totally left. Well, first I trimmed this down so all the nails on this hand are super duper uber short, and then all the longer ones are on this hand, which is okay. But you know, it's fine. So, I lost my train of thought. Yes. So so I put the base coat on, and I totally forgot to put bring my black. So I'm going to use what I have, and because typically you're supposed to put a black when you're wanting to do the chrome powders, but this is the darkest color I have on me right now, unfortunately. So we can use it, and we'll see how it comes out. Whew. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so let me go through all the colors of the powders that I bought. They're new. Yay, little mini haul. Oh, this color is Burgundy Frost, BTW. It's a beautiful, beautiful burgundy, as you'll see once I do the time lapse and put this on. So, so yeah, let's go through all the chromes that I got in this set, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna have it on the screen so you can see the actual ad the actual, I don't know, page on Amazon for it. But yeah, I got these. They came all the way from who knows where, but they come from a different country, and I'll tell you why and how in a second. Let me see. Korea is where they came from. There you go. Okay. Anyways, these are all the powders. Okay. So it came with 8. So here's one. It's like a yellowy green. It's hard to really tell the colors apart, honestly. But that's the one that they gave, and they each came with the little eyeshadow brush thingy to wipe them and stuff. So that's that one. This one looks like a purpley blue kind of one. It kind of shifts. So maybe I'll try to use that with the burgundy. I don't know. We'll see. And then this one we got like a shimmery green. Maybe some blue in there. I don't know. It's like a green undertone to it. I don't know. And then this one is a pink, like peach. Thank you. That's what I was looking for. It's a peach color. This one didn't come with the brush, as you can see. They're very inconsistent. This one is more like a pink to purple, possibly. And it did come with the brush, but it came with this kind of brush. So I guess they didn't have the other small ones. They gave me that one. It's double-sided. There's another one that came with a double-sided brush. Now this one is more pink purpley too. Like I said, I'll have the Amazon thing up so you can see, because I don't know the colors. They should have labeled them like how they had them on the website, 1-2. And it's supposed to be from Born Pretty, but okay. So this one's a green, maybe yellowy green, I don't know. And then last but not least, here's another yellowy one. It'll be nice if I had some swatches to do them on, test them on to see what colors. But I don't, so we're gonna go blind. So I think the one I'm gonna use is either this one or this one. So let's see. Oops, sorry, move my camera there. So let's see which one I'm feeling. Probably this one, just because of the burgundy. And we're gonna see how it turns out, all right? So let me go ahead, put on our base color, and then let's hop to it. Okay. Okay, so I've added the base color. I only did one coat. So one coat of Wet n Wild Burgundy Frost, and then you can't tell, but I went ahead and added on top of the Wet n Wild the gel polish base coat. Pay attention to base coat from my other gel polish. I need to get another set of this because this I found is the only one that works for me when putting on the powder. So I went ahead and put a base coat on top of this and cured it. So it's only one coat of the burgundy, which I told you is a really pretty polish, which I also noticed matches my, it's so close you can't see. I have a hair tie on my wrist. It matches it as well. It's so pretty. Look. So close you can't see it, but whatever. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is I cured it, so we're good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to buff in this powder. Now this powder, maybe it looks like one of the colors on the thing. I'll have to see later, but you think I would have had this open, like blah, what's wrong with me? It's so hard because I know my nails are, okay, there we go. We got some grip on it. Kind of, not really. Okay, well. Okay, all this stays in. I don't care. I got it. Whew. All right, there we go. And I need the brush, so I need you to come out too. Thank you. Okay. So this is the color that we're using. As you can see, this is the back side. It's like a purpley, pinkish. We're going to see how that looks on top of this. So let's go ahead and get it back to the bottom of the container. We're going to untwist it here. Oh, it's tight. Okay. I've broken the seal. I'm going to hold it here with my fingers. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay, so hopefully this buffs in, okay? Got my thing. Just gonna get some of it, and then we're just gonna buff it into the nail. Ooh, pretty. So yeah, that's why I've had experience with only this polish working. I don't know why, but it's the only one that buffs in the this polish. It looks good on top of this burgundy. I told you it would. Ooh, pretty. It was just a little improvisation. I would have preferred it over the black, but it's okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. Cute. I missed a spot over here. Okay, I guess they're like, nope. Okay, it's fine. We got full coverage. So it's just giving me some very purpley vibes. I'm going to come back and turn the flash off, and hopefully you can see the difference. It's a little harder to see, honestly. Sorry, I had to pull away. Yeah, I think it looks better with the flash on. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish buffing all these colors. I'm going to turn the flash back on, and we're going to buff all the fingers, and then we're going to do our final looks, I guess. picture at the end for you to see, but this came out absolutely gorgeous. I still have a little cleanup to do, but woo, woo, woo. It's so beautiful. OMG. I can't even get all my fingers in the shot, but it's okay. Oh, look at it. It's so gorgeous. We definitely have to get a thumbnail. But yeah, I'll post a picture at the end. Here, I'll pick up the camera. Oh, because it's like, I don't know. It shifts colors. Oh, don't mind that. I still got some cleanup to do. But yes, it's gorgeous. 10 out of 10. Easy chrome powder nail look. You can do it yourself. I'll post a link in the description for the powders that I got from Amazon, so you can do them yourself. But honestly, I don't recommend them. I'll just put it there for reference, honestly. But whew, these are so pretty. I can't get over it. It shifts from a purple to a blue. I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but anyways, outro long enough. All right, you guys know how to do. I'll see you later. Bye. Woo. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting a picture of this beautiful nail art. So check me out over there. All right, for real, for real. Bye.